The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I raise my hands, I shout your name. Forever free, I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. The crowd unites, the voices rise. Your spirit dances in our eyes. The lights explode, the night turns gold. 1,000 hearts, one truth retold. The echoes roll across the air. Your kingdom sound is everywhere. From mountain high to ocean deep, your promise wakes the world from sleep. Let your glory fill this place. Heaven meets the human race. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. You break the night, you make it glow. The fire within begins to show. Your spirit moves, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star burns your name and makes us whole. Burns your name and makes us whole. The night is done, the dawn will show, but in our hearts, you still glow. The lights are bright, the night is warm. Your love is here, it takes new form. My feet can't stop, my heart's alive. Your spirit moves, I come alive. The rhythm calls, I feel your peace. The chains are gone, I'm finally free. The joy you bring will never fade. I dance upon the grace you made. I won't stay silent, I won't hide. Your fire burns from deep inside. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name. rejoices, hearts renewed, creation sings, God, you are good. The laughter rings, the crowd unites, your spirit floods these city lights. The sound of hope begins to play, we're dancing free in endless praise. I feel the wind, I hear the sound of heaven's joy all around. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Dancing in grace, we are free, all for you eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. So break down. So break down. The night is young, the stars align. Your glory moves in space and time. Every tear is turned to joy, every heart you now employ. Oh, dancing in grace, we're alive. Faith and love electrify. Every beat, every flame glorifies your holy name. Dancing in grace, we are free. Heaven moves in melody. Every heart, every face burns forever in your grace. The dawn will come, the world will see. We'll keep on dancing endlessly. The waves arise, the waters sing. I feel the pull of everything. The tide of love, the breath of peace. A sea of grace that won't release. The ocean shines, the stars align. Your spirit moves beyond the line. The shore is keeps carrying me. I drown in peace, I rise in flame, forever changed by your greatness. Sea of grace, take control. You're the anchor of my soul. Every breath, every cry lifts my heart into the sky. Sea of grace, all I am rests within your perfect plan. Every wave, every hue sings of love that's always new. The sea is still, the light remains. I'm washed forever in your grace. The wind is strong, the sea is wide. I feel your spirit in the tide. The waves are moving, hearts awake. A holy storm that you create. The water shines, the night is clear. Your power draws me closer here. I hear the sound of heaven's voice. It calls my soul to rise, rejoice, and light the tide. You pull me near. Your mercy flows, my heart can hear. Spirit tide, rushing deep. Fill the world, my soul will keep. Every breath, every flame burns forever in your name. Spirit tide, rise again. Wash away the hearts of men. Every wave, every cry carries love that never dies. The shore is bright, the night's alive. I feel your grace electrify. The heavens dance, the stars proclaim the power flowing through your name. The rhythm moves, my heart restored. Your glory crashes like a storm. The tide of love begins to rise, and heaven opens in my eyes. Your spirit breathes through sea and air. I feel your presence everywhere. Spirit tide, rushing deep. Fill the world, my soul will keep. Every breath, every flame burns forever in your name. Spirit tide, rise again. Wash away the hearts of men. Every wave, every cry carries love that never dies. Let your waves roll through this place. Holy fire, unending grace. Every soul awaken now. Your presence falls. We make this vow. Spirit tide, flood the ground. Every heart in you is found. Every flame, every sound. Heaven's love is all around. Oh, stars align above the sea, their gentle light surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I feel your love, I know your will. The night is deep, the heavens sing, my soul restored in everything. I lift my hands, my heart release. The sky is wide, my soul's at peace. Every breath I take tonight shines within your holy light. Stars of faith burning bright, guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. Stars of faith, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy You turn the dark into a song. You've been my light the whole night long. The sky declares, the stars agree. Your grace is all I'll ever need. The air is warm, the night divine. Your voice is peace, your heart is mine. I walk in grace, I walk in truth, surrounded by eternal proof. I see your light, I feel you near. Every shadow disappears. Stars of faith burning bright, guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. Stars of faith, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy You turn the dark into a song. You've been my light the whole night long. The sky declares, the stars agree. Your grace is all I'll ever need. Whoa. Whoa. my stars of faith. The morning breaks, the dark is gone, the light of grace is shining strong. The earth awakens, hearts arise, your spirit burns across the skies. The sound of joy, the air so clean, the hope of heaven floods the scene. I lift my eyes, I feel you near, the dawn of faith is finally here. I'm alive, I'm not the same, your mercy runs through every flame. Daybreak of faith, we come alive, rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain, washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite, shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all around. The golden glow upon the waves reminds the world of love that saves. The rhythm moves, the world is new, creation sings because of you. The drums of joy, the hearts that beat, awaken grace beneath our feet. The day begins, the night is done, your victory shines like the sun. Your kingdom comes, your truth remains, your glory running through our veins. Daybreak of faith, we come alive, rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain, washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite, shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all around. The night is gone, I'm born anew. I see the world in shades of you. Every breath, a song of grace. I find my life within your faith. Daybreak of faith, we rise again. Every soul, say amen. Every light, every flame burns the power of your name. Daybreak of faith, pure and free, you are all we'll ever need. Every sound, every sky sings your glory lifted high. The dawn will rise, the world will say our faith is new. This is your day. The dawn breaks out across the sea, a brand new world you've given me. My heart revived, my fear undone. I'm standing here, the day's begun. The golden air, the colors rise, your mercy paints the morning skies. I lift my hands, I feel your flame, alive again in Jesus' name. And now I see, I start to breathe, your spirit moves inside of me. I'm alive again, burning bright, free at last in morning light. Every tear is all I'm living for. The winds of peace begin to blow. Your presence shines, I overflow. The shadows fade, the world is new. I'm running home, my soul with you. The mountains rise, the rivers sing. New life flows in everything. Your voice is calm, it calls my name. Your mercy burns like holy flame. I'm alive again, burning bright, free at last in morning light. Every tear, every chain washed away by love again. I'm alive again, pure and free. Heaven's fire inside of me. Every sound, every flame sings the glory of your You break my night, you make me whole. You breathe your life into my soul. The sun will rise, my heart will sing. You are my life, my everything. I'm alive again, hearts awake. Faith and love will overtake. Every soul, every cry lifts your praise to touch the sky. I'm alive again, pure and free. Your spirit reigns inside of me. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy The dawn will rise, the past will end. In your love, I live again. The night is still, the stars awake. I see your light begin to break. The heavens glow, the earth will sing. Our hearts alive in everything. Your spirit moves from heart to heart, igniting faith in every part. The air is warm, your love ascends, a song of joy that never ends. And I can feel your glory fall. It's rising up, consuming all. Glory rising through the night, fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the Glory rising. The rhythm builds, the crowd's alive. Your kingdom here, your fire revives. The ground is shaking, hearts ignite. Our praise becomes the morning light. From shore to shore, your truth resounds. The song of grace that knows no bounds. Your presence floods this holy space. Our souls renewed by endless grace. The sky erupts in light and flame. Every breath declares your name. Glory rising through the night, fill the world with holy light. I'm awake, my heart renewed for heaven's sake. Glory rising, hearts unite, shining love and endless light. Every dream, every flame burns the echo of your name. Glory rising, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every cry glorifies the Lord Most High. The stars remain, the night is clear, your glory rising, heaven